There you go. Set that hook. Yes, sir. You can turn on your camera. You're close. Should be close. Oh, no, like move. You stay here. Oh, baka po ingat. You stay close already. Oh, fire is fun. Morning workout. Oh, don't let come in.
Come on, boosto. Right there, I see you. Right there.
Oh, don't let come in.
What is this? The lighter setup? This one?
Yeah.
The wave's taking you back. Right there. What is this? The lighter setup? This one?
Yeah.
The wave's taking you back.
It's not. He's fighting him.
Right there, right there.
Grab him, grab him, grab him.
Kapit na dito. Right there.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yes, sir. Oh, shoot. I get him, come on. You can.
Nice one, bro.
Yes. Oh, finally.
Nice one. Nice one, bro. Oh my God.
Ah.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, thank you, guys. Nice one, bro.
Woo.
I got him.
Oh, yeah.
Look at it like going in, huh? Oh, fire this one. Oh, this one was the hardest one so far. Yes.
It's too heavy, but only had 30. Oh, like it's hard, yeah.
Oh, I gotta put the pebbles now so I make them.
Every time, you know, ladies, underneath here. Solid. Hook up underneath there.
Woo.
Stop.
I get my light set up too, though.
Nice, bro. I see them.
Oh.
Perfect timing you cast there.
I know.
Came true.
Hey, Bendy, go Bendy.
Oh, look at it.
Oh, so all that kind of.
Sore.
Oh, just hoping he don't break my touchdown.
What, how heavy is it?
180.
Oh, you know, front, like when I drop, when we dive, get all rock.
Yeah, I know, that's why.
You cannot come back with that final from high. Oh. The angle. And when you come close to that, it drop.
Woo!
That's the one he hit, he cut. You know, rub.
Oh, then back them up.
Better than, yeah.
B&D in the twin power.
Then when that wave suck out, it's almost
The
gone.
gorilla. Ah.
What kind of fish?
GT.
GT?
Yeah, giant trevally.
Wow, that's really cool.
Really cool.
We was hoping tuna, but GT is fine too.
I thought it might be a tuna, but I don't know fish very well.
Where are you guys from?
Utah,
Utah. What part?
Salt Lake City.
Salt. Oh, okay. My son's in Hurricane.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, about 3 hours south.
Yeah. It's too far.
Yeah.
There.
How you make them set?
You cannot, it has to go by itself. It's 39.40. 39.8.
Yeah, 39.8.
Oh. Just say 39 because you get your lure. That's 39? Does that look like 150?
Oh, this is 39? You sure?
It's 39.
39.
39.40. It just bumps up.
Come on, 50.
You got PR already. This is your PR. From 30 pounds, almost on 10-pound drum. That's one big, that's one solid fish. This.
Oh.
I got hit, and then I saw you. I lost them.
No, but okay. We got.
Oh, you're already.
No, you can get some more, but
I know.
are you gonna take a picture before I put them?
Yeah. So how do you feel?
So body, but good.
How was it?
Good. Oh, it's the hardest fight ever for me. The angle of the lure, but that's okay. I boost them. Till tomorrow again.
What was your previous record?
And today,
No, your previous record. What was your last record?
30.25.
Okay, and what is your new record today?
39.45 or 85.
Not 39 pounds now, it's 39 kilos. Nah, just kidding. Alrighty, good job.
I'm gonna wash my thumb. Did you give me? A number?
Yeah. Okay, we got the whole gang here to see his prize fish. Hi, Nyanya. La! Sige bye! Okay. Okay. Come closer. Come closer. Come and see his prize. Hey, Nala. Oh, what a great actor.
Stay.
Just kidding. Oh!
Yes,
Oh, nadaku. Yeah, monster. Right out of the water, the thing looked like 150. It was so massive, so thick. It was healthy. Hi. What, 39? Can you see the fishy?
It's a wonderful morning with the big boy. Yee-hoo. So that's what I've been catching with. Good bait. 180 mm. Nice one. Along with the pole I used this morning was Luxxe Shore Gorilla R. Right there. 100 XH. And then I had my twin power 14. I was running on my light setup this time. Only PE5 and 100 liter line. But yeah, it was a good day. Yay! We'll try again. Hopefully get that 100 pounder.